Yeah, we're just at the dog park and something launched. So we'll watch. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's SpaceX or something else, so I don't know what it's going to act like. Wow, that's pretty neat looking. Okay, there go the boosters. I don't know where the actual vehicle is. It's a cool looking trail though. All different colors. There's Dory and Daisy. Well, I only see some. Oh, I see a tiny speck up there, but I don't know if that's anything. Half the time I see these, I don't even know if they're normal or not. But that looks neat. Weird, but neat. Well, that white part is kind of flaring at the bottom. Wow. Again, I have no idea if this is what it's supposed to be doing, and I don't see any more moving parts, so I'm probably going to stop this video. I see something in that little orange cloud. Excuse me, but I'm losing sight of it. Okay, I think I'll have to go home and figure out what that was. I don't know. Have a good day.